Okay.
Ordinary joy.
I made it to Aqua Side Coast. Good morning. We're gonna go to deck 7. Pilipinas.
Yes po. Enjoy, madam.
Thank you. Scrambled egg, brioche bun, breakfast potatoes. Lumabas kami ng ship para lang mag-picture. Pero suddenly, biglang dumilim, lumakas ang ulan. Kakahinto lang. Sobrang ginawa. To be honest, malamig. Despite the extreme weather, the ship managed to be still here kahit na na-delay yung arrival niya and hindi pa din kami nakakaalis. Safety first, di ba? Mas okay na yun. Kesa sa gitna tayo ng dagat, mas stranded. So, showing you how huge the ship is. Hanggang doon. Ayun, ang haba. Welcome aboard Norwegian Aqua. Yes, yes. Finally on board. Actually, today is our 3rd day and your mommy is not vlogging so much the past 2 days only because I am enjoying the ship and I'm feeling the moment. This is actually the maiden voyage, which means the first sailing of the ship from the manufacturer to here in Lisbon, Portugal. Para sunduin ako. I am the first occupant of this balcony club, Suite 10278. O, diba? Ako yung unang hihiga sa bed. Ako yung unang uupo sa toilet. Ako yon. First impression ni Mami Heidi, when you first get into the ship on deck 6, it was massive. It has a different design as the usual cruise ship's reception. The ship is modern. It's state-of-the-art and it's kind of have a futuristic design. Iba yung ceiling, iba yung dating, iba yung mga ilaw. So parang, I love it. Most of the guests on board now are business partners, media people, officers and employees of NCL all over the world. I met some of them. Meron taga Germany, meron Australia, meron taga US. There's some content creators from Asia Pacific. Kasama na tayo doon. Ano ba kayo? Well guys, I feel so privileged to be on this inaugural sailing of Norwegian Aqua. NCL newest ship and the latest addition to their Prima class. Ano yung Prima class, Mami Heidi? Okay guys, Prima class are ships built with the higher ratio of space to passengers and it offers the most outdoor deck space, which indeed an upscale touch. True, because for the past 2 days I'm going around the ship, I feel the space. It's indeed very spacious. When I tour you around my suite, makikita nyo, pwedeng mag-cha-cha. Cha-cha-cha. Cha-cha-cha-cha-cha. Okay guys, so I just want to give you a very quick room tour of our club balcony suite. We have a king-size bed only to myself. And guys, premium yung feels ng kanilang pillows and the beddings. For me, it's a big plus, di ba? Iba yung feels na masarap yung tulog mo because masarap yung mga beddings, masarap yung comforters and all. We have TV here, but I don't usually watch TV whenever I'm on travel. It's a nice art display. I love this backdrop. It's a wallpaper. And most of all, we have the balcony. Look at the aqua slide coaster. Yan. Working table with drawer. Chair, hair dryer, of course, fridge, and there's a phone in case of emergencies. Meron tayong vanity mirror. Look at this. Ayan, di ba nakita niyo yung port nila? Oh, meron ng Type-C, di ba? Maraming ports. Another port. We have a sofa. Nako-convert siya to be a sofa bed, and then center table with gifts from NCL. I love the lampshade. Oh, di ba? Yes. This is a nice addition. Diba, pagka meron kang mga gustong isabit na bag, damit, towels, whatever. On the side, we have hangers, safe drawers. Ayan. If when you want to, arrange your clothes, ayan na siya. Another side, the same, meron tayong mga hangeran natin. And also another open rack closet. And etong toilet, para kang nasa spaceship. Charot. Yes, ang spacious, saka ang shala. Isn't it amazing? Wow, di ba? Meron pang wall art. Yeah. I love this drawer. Lalagyan na ng mga pang skincare. And then, of course, ang ganda ng mirror. Look at the shower. Umiikot siyang ganyan. Hindi siya nakakaabala. Nice. I love this bathroom. I have to do get ready with me or skincare dito. It's very spacious, feels so luxurious, very modern design, guys. And also, I love the lighting. Lakas makaganda. Deck 17. Wow! Guys, ang ganda ng view. Grabe, ang ganda ng view dito. Observation lounge. Dapat pala dito tayo maglagi. Hello. Oh, yeah, that's what I need. Yes. Then I will just call for a reservation. Thank you. I like this. I like this.
Look, 10 years younger.
Guys, oh, di ba? Sino naman hindi ko gusto na you look 10 years younger?
Galing nito ah! Parang natatakot ako eh.
Hindi, I like it. Sobrang ano eh. Sobrang makapal, sobrang straight. Ganda.
प्रदीप प्रभाशंकर सबू प्रतिमा अनिल किलस्कर राजेश
Oh, di ba? May souvenir shop.
राजेश
menu dito, kuya? We have rice. Texas Smokehouse.
Tika. Parang narinig ko yan, masarap.
Chicken tikka is Indian food.
I shall order the pesto gnocchi.
Sarap.
Dandan noodle. Indonesian food.
Chardonnay. Ang ganda ng layering nito. Ano yan ah? Italian bakery. May mga wafer style. It's like, guys, Napoleones. Pero strawberry flavor. Dito niluluto yung chicken tandoori. So, story time. The past 2 days, nakadak lang kami dito sa Lisbon Port. And your mommy is just, you know, resting, beautifying. I feel like I'm also under the weather. Pero mamaya, aalis na po si Norwegian Aqua. Papunta na kami ng Southampton. Inviting everyone to check on NCL website and book your next cruise with Norwegian Aqua. She will be sailing this April in the Caribbean. Calling all followers, check out Norwegian Aqua and be among those first to experience its beauty, its grandeur, and everything in between.
Beautiful city of Lisbon. We are in the process of our final preparations for departure, and we're aiming to leave the pier at 5:30 or 17:30. As we sail out of the Tagus River, you may notice the impressive Bell and Tower on the starboard side. This 16th century fortress was built to defend the city and also served as a ceremonial gateway for the explorers departing on their voyages. Another remarkable sight is the 25th of April, or Tagus River Bridge, which closely resembles San Francisco's Golden Gate Bridge. It spans the Tagus and connects Lisbon to Almada. Just beyond it, you may also see the towering Christ the King statue, inspired by Rio de Janeiro's Christ the Redeemer, standing as a symbol of peace and protection over the city, to enjoy the views of Lisbon fading into the horizon. The weather forecast: a rather big low-pressure system is moving in from the Atlantic. Although we'll be far away from the center of this system, we will still feel the effects of it. We can expect rather strong northwesterly winds and some high swells from the same direction, which will most likely make the ship move unpredictably at times. So I do please ask you to use caution when you move around the ship and use the handrails where available. I wish you all a fantastic evening on board, and I will get back to you around lunchtime. Thank you, this is the captain.
Okay, Captain. Finally, we will depart Lisbon on our way to England in Southampton. So, sinishare ni Captain yung mga popular attractions na pwedeng makita as we move. In-invite niya magpunta sa deck to see, you know, the view. And because of that, pumunta tayo sa deck. Let's watch the sunset and enjoy the view before we go for our early dinner. Meron akong booking ng dinner. What time is it ba? Oh my God, it's 5:30. 5:30 yung dinner. The time na mag-move na yung ship. So, I might as well book this at least to 6 o'clock para ma-enjoy natin yung view, diba? Okay, because of that, let's go! Ooh, Baran Beach Club! Bon!
Guys, kanina lang bagsak yan.
Oo, ganun talaga yung energy natin. Nagpa-fluctuate, parang weather lang.
Kanina guys, talaga tulog yan. Tulog muna ako ngayon. Ngayon, hello!
Goodbye is Bon! Siyempre, di ba? Kailangan may powers tayo lagi. Minsan bagsak
Parang nakainom.
Ganun talaga. So guys, merong music so I need to use my mic. So what I'm saying earlier, yung tub na yon, warm yan, hot tub yan. So hindi sila giniginaw. Ang giniginaw po ako, malamig as in maginaw. Guys, nadaan kami sa bridge.
Over troubled water.
Ayan,
Crossing the bridge because we're getting there.
Yes. We're gonna go to London. Otherwise, we cannot. Yes. We're crossing the bridge. It's a Thai food dinner. Sana po tanggapin pa tayo kasi medyo na-late tayo due to viewing natin sa next Sukhothai. Yes, good.
Party of 3, the Hanay family.
Yes po. Apo, thank you.
Any food allergies?
Wala po.
Everybody gonna use your must dining package for tonight?
Yes po.
Have some red wine or white wine on the house.
Mga hindi po umiinom.
So excited! We have Sukhothai. I want everything.
Salt and pepper prawns.
Okay, for you, ha? Sige. I'm gonna get Thai spring rolls, tom kagay, oo nga, pad thai. Meron po kayong mango sticky rice? Oh my God. Meron? Yay! Sige. Wala pa dito yung dessert, ano?
Wala pa.
Oh, yes. Meron pong coconut.
Coconut ice cream.
Ice cream? Juice wala. Coconut mo. Ganda ng view natin. Look, oh. Yes.
Talaga.
Salt and pepper shrimp. Boneless na siya.
Anong boneless?
Yung tanggal ng balat.
Oo nga. Skinless.
Oo.
Longganisa.
Sarap. Bagong luto. Nice. Wow. I have pad thai. It's chicken curry, almond beef, red snapper, the green curry from June. Ba't ganun? Parang masarap yung kay June. Desserts.
2 days to London.
Bet ko to. Pwede pala ako mag-chef. Pass along this shopping, you see.
So don't forget to check the Freestyle Daily, mark out all activities you want to attend. Do not miss a thing because remember, it's time to make new waves.
You can have your photos done here professionally. Yung 6th, 7th, and 8th floor. That's the atrium. Yun doon yung mga ganaps. Guest services. Everything na kailangan nyo about your stay. Nandiyan dyan. Meron naman dito onboard credits. Minsan kasi may mga kasama ng onboard credits yung mga bookings nyo. Kung gusto nyo malaman how much yung onboard credits, how much yung balance nyo on this site, anything for the shore excursions. Cruise next. Kung gusto nyo nang bumili ng cruise for your next cruise adventure. Starbucks. For all your internet connections. Ang sarap tumambay sa may atrium. Ang sarap makinig ng music. Alam mo yun, parang walang problema sa lahat. Ang ganda ng boses ng kumakanta ha, I have to say. Parang gusto kong bumalik. Meantime, we have a gift. We have a merch from Norwegian Aqua. Yes, meron tayo ditong pakap. Wow, bagong-bago. Diba? Norwegian Aqua. Bagay ba sa akin? Ganda ng kulay, no? I love teal color, by the way. Okay, next is, eto tayo, meron tayong rubberize. Ang ganda nito, ha? Make new waves, Norwegian Aqua. Ayokong open, baka bigay ko na lang kay mother. Tumbler na rubberize. May nakita na akong gumamit nito. This is a parang drawstring na bag. Yes, so ganon. Ayan. Kung gusto nyo mahilig kayo sa mga pa-backpack effect. So, this is the one. Yeah? Oh, diba? Meron tayong inaugural sailing certificate. With great honor, we celebrate the inaugural sailing of Norwegian Aqua. This certificate recognizes all who were among the first to experience our newest and most innovative ship, marking the beginning of an extraordinary journey. O, diba? So, nakita nyo ang atrium. It doesn't look like a ship. Diba? Para siyang social na mall. Or social na resort, diba? Also, meron ng Sukhothai, yung dinner natin kanina, which is so yummy. Alam niyo naman, I love Thai food. Ang mami niyong madaldal, in-interview ko na yung mga iba nating kababayan. So, I asked them kailan sila sumakay dito sa ship dahil nga bago yung ship galing sa manufacturer in Italy. So, they said na 2 weeks before, umalis yung ship doon sa Italy papuntang Lisbon, sumakay na sila. And itong ship ay hindi pa totally finished. So, sumampa na sila para to help some other contractors to fix everything. Like in this case daw, dito daw sa mga rooms, wala pang bed, wala pang sofa. Lahat ng mga movable items dito sa kwarto, it's wala pa. So talagang sinalpak daw nila, inassemble, inayos. I just can't imagine the works behind all of this bago mag-operate si Norwegian Aqua. Imagine niyo guys, bare. Yung mga naka-fix, andyan na. Carpet is also installed, pero naka-close. Ibig sabihin, merong cover para hindi nga magasgas, hindi madumihan. Tapos syempre, niligyan ng beddings, niligyan ng everything. As in, feel so privileged to be on this inaugural sailing because it's not always we get to be invited in this kind of activity, diba? Grateful sa lahat ng work natin. Definitely, this is not the last cruise, guys. Meron pa ako mga dream cruises. And also, in the coming vlogs, I will have a sit-down video sharing with you, comparing yung cruise versus a regular vacation na familiar tayo, na lagi natin ginagawa. Pero I tell you guys, the cost is almost the same. And you will have to experience a different kind of vacation, kind of relaxation. Cruising is totally different. And mind you, when you first try it, tatry mo pa ulit, try mo pa ulit. Norwegian Aqua, guys, napakalaki. Kung yung hindi ko pa naipakita dito sa first vlog, definitely in the coming vlogs, you're gonna see anong bago, especially the Aqua Slide Coaster, hybrid between roller coaster and a water slide. Anyway, guys, again, thank you for watching. I'll see you again tomorrow for another cruise vlog. We're going down. Yeah, parang dito, sa camera, parang kulang ako ng blush on. Anyways, hindi ako nag-iron. Mamaya na lang. So, we're going down to meet, hopefully, some of the creators. Naka-block yung game zone for us who was given permission to do FPV. Ano yung FPV? Hindi ko alam eh. So, syempre, ginugal ko. FPV means first person view. We're lucky to have the privilege na unang maka-experience, unang makakita. Guys, ang ganda oh. Para siyang Team Love Borderless.
What's your story? What's your sign? It's like we're twin flames in a different life. Deep connection lights a spark.
Wow!
It's like you know me in the depths of my
Dallas! Nice to meet you!
How are you?
Good, good. Ako!
Sabi ko, bakit ako 18 ka? Taas si mami 18? Solid ka doon ah.
The definition of bodacious.
First time? Good luck!
Guys, ito na!
Oh my God! This is just once in a lifetime, diba? I have to do this.
This is a once in a lifetime for Mommy Heidi.
Yes!
Hindi ko alam paano natin siya napapayag dito. Simple lang? I can do it myself. Hello. Pero giniginaw na ako. Ayun lang yun ah. Yun ang laban dito. Pero pag summer siguro, no? Hindi ko dito.
Guys, I made it to Aqua Slide Coaster here at Norwegian Aqua. Very, very madali. Kumbaga sa test easy.
Yes,
I can do it again. Except, giniginawa ko ngayon.
Feeling ko kung walang pila, nagte-next ka pa, no? Mag-isa na siya.
Oh, kaya. I made it. I'm happy. Kain tayo. Private functions ongoing. So waiting for them to open in 10 minutes. 5 o'clock daw ang open nila. So while waiting, looking at the menu, parang ang sarap ng sauteed shrimp scampi pasta. Gusto ko rin ng shrimp cake as appetizer. Bet ko to si Waldorf salad. Masarap yan, guys. Because it has walnut, it has apple, and then gusto ko din itong honey creme brulee because it has honey. May mga dahilan eh, no? Ay! Ako ang unang-una nilang customer. Salamat ako. It's early dinner, guys. 5 o'clock ang time ngayon. Squash soup. It tastes like sweet potato. Ano to? They are combination. How? Oh. Pagpakanan, it's pepper. Pagpakaliwa, it's salt. Ganun pala. Hazel and June is coming. Ito ko yung mga mala French bread.
Ganda. Kahit mo may private function iba-ibang team, no?
Ang daming mga functions na private functions ongoing. Hello! Mga kababayan!
From Iloilo, from Batangas.
Oh, kuya!
Bulacan.
Wow!
From Bicol.
May mga representatives ang mga probinsya natin.
Enjoy dinner, ma'am. Thank you.
Salamat po!
Welcome to Aqua. Welcome aboard.
Yes!
Where the sea meets the sky.
Wow!
Totoo ba yun?
Oh, madam.
Yun ang ano nyo? Tagline nyo ba?
The one who painted the Aqua. Filipino-American. Based from Oakland. I forgot also the name.
Si ano po? Si Allison.
Allison, yes. That's Allison, yes.
Bakit nandun sila sa ano?
Wow. Where the sea meets the sky.
Wow! Mapapromote ka na.
Thank you, ma'am. Enjoy dinner.
Bye-bye! It stays it. Merong pipino. Indeed, really shrimp cake.
Ano siya? Describe mo na parang Pinoy stuff. Wala, parang tortang shrimp.
Ang appetizer. Parang pwede nang lagyan ng rice. Tapos mo kami crab, oh.
Sarap. It's giving. Ito kang ganyan. Parang may crab, may shrimp, tapos tinorta. Tatawa ako. Yung energy namin parang napaka-flat na. Sarap. Gutom yarn.
Guys, sabi ko nga, yung energy namin parang may bagyo. Kasabay sa panahon dito sa Lisbon. Wait a minute. Bigyan nyo na ako ng time to recuperate. Pag ako'y nabusog na, paingay na ako. Very good po.
Ang sarap po nito ah.
Gusto niyo?
Hindi, okay lang po. Ang dami ko na in-order. Sarap po, no?
Ano ko marami?
Ang chef niyo po dito,
Halo eh.
iba-iba po.
More on Pinoy, Indian.
Ito po, sino po gumawa nito?
Pinoy ang may.
New York steak.
Chicken Madeira. With
Chicken yan?
And risotto.
Wow.
It
Ito
looks
ang
nice.
bet ko eh. Shrimp scam. Ano po yan?
Arte.
Parmesan cheese.
Eme lang.
There's some more.
Okay na po. I have steak.
Sige po. Ito.
Anyway, enjoy your dinner po.
Thank you.
Scam food. This is parang a sort of alio-olio na din, no? Creme brulee in the house, diba? I mean, this is actually sobra for me. Bakit?
Kasi bigla kang nagka-energy para sa vlog mo. Nung nakapatay yung camera, guys. Gandun siya.
Siyempre, alam mo naman ako, mabisa ako mag-transition eh. Creme brulee in the house.
Tapos biglang, dahil nandiyan yung creme brulee niya, binuksan niya yung camera, creme brulee in the house. Pero sa likod ng mga ngiti niya, guys.
Antok ako.
Antok na siya. Tapos sinasabi ko na, lumaban ka. Lumaban ka, be. Hindi ka pwedeng matulog. Anyhow.
I love it.
I love it so.
It's a big serving for a one-person dessert.
True.
Dapat share. Ha? O mas maliit. Because for me, I'm basically good. Meron pa pa ganito, no? Sweet on sweet.
Ano to? Peanut brittle. Sarap.
Gusto ni Aqua, we want to give you more at sea.
True. Dapat lahat. Ilagay lahat ng toppings.